5 best writing platforms that pay my rent as a complete beginner. Last year, writers like me earned millions online. No degrees, no impressive resumes, just hustle and a keyboard. Ready to turn your words into rent money? Here are the 5 best platforms that helped me go from a broke beginner to a paid writer. Let's get started. 1. Medium. Have you ever thought your random shower thoughts could pay the bills? They can, on Medium. Medium's partner program pays you for subscribers' time reading your articles. It's like being rewarded for keeping someone hooked. No qualifications are needed, just engaging stories, helpful advice, or interesting ideas.
Really?
Really?
Writers like Tim Denning make thousands sharing tips on personal growth and productivity. Potential earnings. Beginners can earn $100 to $500 per month. If you master these skills, you can hit 5 figures. Write about trending topics like how to get rich without trying too hard, or 5 ways to save money without giving up coffee. How to sign up. 1. Visit medium.com or download the app on either Play Store or App Store. 2. Click sign up and create an account with your Google, Facebook, or email. 3. Go to your profile, click become a partner, and follow the prompts to join the partner program. 4. Start writing articles, add tags to help readers find your work, and publish. But let's say you want more creative freedom to write about your love for cats or why pineapple is used for pizza. That's where our next platform comes in. 2. Vocal media. What if you could get paid to ramble about your hobbies, rant about life, or share your secret guacamole recipe? Vocal media is perfect for niche content, from travel tips to wellness hacks. Earn $3.80 for every 1,000 reads, with bonus tips from readers. Writers like Nicole Akers use Vocal to create steady incomes, all while sharing their expertise. Beginners can earn $50 to $500 per month, with Vocal Plus bonuses offering more opportunities. Pro tip: enter Vocal's writing challenges for cash prizes and extra visibility. How to sign up. 1. Head to vocal.media or download the app on either Play Store or App Store. 2. Click join and create an account. 3. Set up your profile and link a Stripe account for payments. 4. Start writing stories, submit them for review, and publish when approved. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds great, but I want more control, let's talk about building your own little empire with Substack.
Interesting.
3. Substack. What if you could turn your obsession with baking bread or conspiracy theories into a subscription business? Substack is a newsletter platform where you can write about anything: politics, hobbies, parenting, etc. You keep 90% of your earnings. Substack takes just a small cut. Writers like Matt Taibbi earn 6 figures annually through their newsletters. Potential earnings. Start small with $50 to $300 per month and grow with more subscribers. Pro tip: offer free newsletters first, then upsell exclusive content for paying subscribers. How to sign up. 1. Visit substack.com. 2. Click start writing and create an account. 3. Set up your newsletter, add a catchy title, and choose between free and paid subscription models. 4. Write your first post and share it with your network to build an audience. But what if you're not ready to go fully independent yet? Don't worry, there's still an option for gig hustlers like you.
Relax.
4. Upwork. Think freelance writing is too competitive? Spoiler alert, even beginners land gigs all the time. Upwork connects you with clients needing everything from blog posts to product descriptions. Payments are secure and sent via PayPal, direct deposit, or wire transfer. Writers like Aja Frost started small on Upwork before landing big roles at companies like HubSpot. Potential earnings: $300 to $800 per month depending on your hustle. Pro tip: start with easy gigs like writing product reviews or short bios to build up your reviews and credibility. How to sign up. 1. Visit Upwork.com or download the app on either the Play Store or App Store. 2. Click sign up and create an account using your email or Google. 3. Fill out your profile, highlight your skills, add a professional photo, and upload samples. 4. Browse for writing jobs, send proposals, start bidding, and secure your first gig. And if you're into simple tasks that don't take hours, the last platform might just be the one for you. 5. Textbroker. Think your writing isn't professional enough? Textbroker doesn't care. As long as it's clear and readable, you're in. Textbroker connects writers with clients who need quick, straightforward content like product descriptions or articles. Beginners can start earning immediately with no experience required. Payouts are based on a star rating system. The better your quality, the higher your pay. Potential earnings. Beginners earn 1 cent per word, which can add up to $50 to $200 per month or more. Pro tip: focus on delivering high-quality content to improve your rating and unlock higher-paying jobs. How to sign up. 1. Go to textbroker.com. 2. Click Sign Up as an author and fill out your details. 3. Complete a short writing sample to determine your initial star rating. 4. Once approved, browse the job board, pick assignments, and start earning. Here's the deal. Whether you're looking for pocket money or trying to replace your 9-to-5, these 5 platforms are your golden ticket. No fancy degrees or huge followings are required. Just a laptop, a good idea, and consistency. So what are you waiting for? Pick a platform, sign up, and start your pajama writing career today. And hey, let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.